Hello. Now in this tutorial we will use email email automation. In previous lecture we will do Outlook email automation. Now we'll use email server to send a log file to a specific user ID. Let first delete the Outlook email setup. Now in the actions you will first connect email. Once we connect the email, then we will send an email. So session name is email server. Now you will set up all these things. First I will use variable to store my username and password. So I will create two new variable, user's name, and I will paste my username. And I will again use second variable which will store my password. Now password is a credential, so we'll use credential data type password type for password. I use password, and then I will paste my password here. We will select insecure string from here and paste our password. Now I will use the username here. The username, oh yes, I have to type here because username is also a credential, but I stored in a variable, that's why it's not showing. So I will change the variable type. First let me delete the other variable. Now I will create a credential data type variable and use insecure string and will paste the password here. Now we will save first. After that we will configure the remaining properties variable. So first let me type my username, yes, insert variable, password, yes, insert, host is imap.google.com, port is 993, imap, okay, so okay, sorry, I have disconnected from my internet. Let me check. Now I will save. Now we have connect to our server. The next step is to send an email. So I will use send email from here to I will send to mail cc road iPhone price iPhone price. We will also use our log file which we have downloaded. Let me paste the path of log file. Now paste the path. Sorry. Yes, this is the path. Now we'll type a message. Please want to file. Now we'll use email server from. I will use username, my username. smtp.google.com. Email port is 587. Now here again we'll set up username and password. It's optional because we already connect email from here. So now we will run the bot and check the behavior. Now bot is running. Going towards Amazon website, search iPhone. Click on the first product and get the price of the product. And now we have something. Invalid credentials are provided to continue and it will fix. Let me check my credentials first. I think we have issue with our credentials. I think we have to yes, we have mark true. Let's check now. Bot is running. Email connected unsuccessfully again. Let's check what's happening. Again, invalid credentials provided. Let me check. One thing I have to mention here that if we are using email server, then we must allow less secure app on. I think that's the main reason why bot are unable to access to our account. So after doing that, let's run again. Notifying the bot. Email connect. Yes, email successfully connected. So I think that's the main problem. We have to enable the less secure app option from the account which we are using for bot automation. Now here we are successfully run. Yes. So the most important step for email automation is you have to own the less secure app. That's the most important point. We have just to go. We just to sign into our email account and go to the less secure app access and turn it on. So that's all about this tutorial.